Step out of the car, sir?
For what?
Because I've asked you to.
No, I'm not. Not unless you were going to arrest me.
Where are you headed to?
What is that? No, I don't understand what any of that matters. That it was a lawful order. Now you're saying that you were asking me. Could you get a supervisor out here, please?
No.
I'd like to speak with a sergeant.
Okay. This is the deal here. Okay. I'm going to go back and I'm going to run your name.
Okay.
I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you a chance to think about you getting out of the car.
Can I ask you something?
Not till I'm done talking. Not till I'm done talking.
What is with your power trip?
Not till I'm done talking. It's not a power trip.
It is.
Sir.
Why are you being authoritative over me?
What up, though? Welcome to this world. Today we have a video that comes out of Crawford County, Michigan, where a citizen on his way to work early in the morning gets pulled over by some Crawford County Sheriffs. They say they pull him over for speeding, and he says he was not speeding. Gave a little pushback on why they were doing it, and you can see they became tyrants pretty quickly, abusing their authority, I would say. This guy, yeah, he didn't like what they were doing. He didn't take no bull. And while, yes, an officer can ask you to exit your vehicle during a traffic stop for officer safety, there was no need for it here, clearly. He was just doing it to inconvenience him. It was cold outside. Just wanted to drag it out as long as possible. Tell us what you thought about this guy and these tyrants. Drop a comment in there. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the video, too. Alrighty, let's see what happens. WTTW out.
Step out of the car, sir?
For what?
Because I've asked you to.
No, I'm not. Not unless you were going to arrest me.
Okay.
I don't know what I did.
I just told you, sir, you were speeding.
I was not speeding. I
start.
never went over 25 miles an hour.
Yeah, you did, sir.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Absolutely not.
Where
I
you
never
headed to?
went over 25.
Where are you headed to?
What is that? No, I don't understand what any of that matters. If you're going to write me a ticket for speeding, then write me a ticket for speeding. We'll go to court.
I will.
Okay.
Okay.
But other than that, I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, I'm going to ask you one more time to step out of the car.
Okay, I'll step out of the car.
Yeah, that's a really good decision you just made. Put your cigarette out.
Well, you're on a power trip, huh?
No, it's no power trip, sir.
Absolutely.
I'm just doing what the law allows me to do.
What law are you referring to?
The Michigan law, sir.
What Michigan law? Cite the statute that you're referring to.
Michigan law requires you to step out of the vehicle when asked by an officer. Do you understand that law?
No, apparently I don't, because it doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist?
No, what probable cause do you have for having me to get out of the car?
Because I asked you to.
You asked. Is it a lawful order?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
How?
What do you mean, how?
Yeah, I'm asking you how. Why?
What do you mean, how?
Yeah, what is your reasonable, articulable suspicion
Don't need one,
that
sir.
I've committed a crime?
All I can do is ask you to.
Right. I just asked you if you were asking me or telling me if there was a lawful order. You said that it was a lawful order, and now you're saying that you were asking me. Can you get a supervisor out here, please?
No.
I'd like to speak with a sergeant.
Okay. This is the deal here. Okay. I'm going to go back and I'm going to run your name.
Okay.
I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you a chance to think about you getting out of the car.
I'm not.
No. You're
listen, who are you talking to? You're not intimidating me.
I'm not trying to intimidate you,
If you're going to write me a ticket,
then I'm going to ask you to get out of the car.
Okay.
Okay? Hey. And if you don't get out of the car, you are going to jail.
For what?
Do you understand me?
For what?
Do you understand?
Deputy Lane,
do you understand?
What have I done to create this hostility? I'm asking you to de-escalate.
Doesn't matter. Get out of the car.
Sir, I'm asking you what I did.
Sir, I'm not going to ask you again.
You're opening my car door and removing me for what, a speeding ticket?
I am asking you to get out of the car.
And I told you I would get out.
Then get out.
I don't understand why you're being this way.
Being which way, sir?
You're being hostile. You're not
being hostile.
De-escalate, sir.
De-escalate? I'm not upset. What do I need to de-escalate?
Are you kidding me? You're threatening me?
No, it's not a threat.
Okay, listen.
Here's the deal, sir.
Can I ask you something?
Not till I'm done talking. Not till I'm done talking.
What is with your power trip?
Not till I'm done talking. It's not a power trip,
It is.
Sir.
Why are you being authoritative over me? If you want to write me a speeding ticket, sir, go ahead.
Just keep talking, okay? Keep talking and let me know when you're done.
I'm sorry.
You let me know when you're done. Keep your hands out of your pocket. You let me know when you're done, and then I will talk.
Okay, I'm done.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You're not getting interrupted anymore?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Michigan law requires you to get out of a police car when requested by a police officer.
Well, I wasn't in a police car.
I'm not done.
I wasn't in a
I'm
police...
not done talking.
You told me when I
said when I asked you to if you were going to be done talking so I could talk.
Sir, I was done talking.
Go ahead, you talk again.
I was done
Keep talking. Go ahead.
You just told me when you told me to get out of a police car. All I'm saying is
it's required by law, and you're not in a police car.
That's what I just said.
You are not in a police car, sir.
You just told me I was in a police car. When you tell me to get out of... Can you please help me out here?
No, nobody's going to help you out.
You said that
Go ahead. You talk. Go ahead.
If you would stop, I would explain.
Oh, okay. I'm going to explain. Okay. You explain to me what the law is.
You just told me when I'm asked to get out of a police car that I'm to get out.
When you're asked to get out of
what you said.
When you are asked to get out of your car by a police officer,
is your body camera
you are required to by law. Do you understand that?
I do understand what you're saying.
Perfect.
I don't agree with it, but I understand.
It doesn't matter if you agree with it or not, sir. It has no effect on it.
Okay.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm glad you understand Michigan law. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Not a sip.
I don't drink at all.
You don't? Okay.
Nope.
Well, you're displaying behavior like you have been.
No, I'm not. I'm on my way to work.
Where do you work at?
It's none of your business.
Where are you coming from?
It's none of your business either.
So you're displaying behaviors
No,
like
it's not. Why? Because I'm not bowing down to your attitude and your power trip?
It's not a power trip, sir.
It's exactly what it is.
No, sir.
No, yeah, you don't have the right mentality for this job.
Oh, I don't.
No,
I've been doing
I know a lot of cops.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah,
been
and
doing
none
it for
of them act like you.
31 years, and I don't have the right mentality.
Oh,
you know more than I do.
No,
that's
not
for
what
sure.
I'm claiming. I'm not claiming that I know anything more than you.
Well, you seem to.
You're being aggressive. It started
I'm being aggressive?
As soon as you
Do I look aggressive to you?
You start running your siren.
Do I look aggressive to you?
And then
because you weren't
to turn
stopping.
my car. You didn't have your lights on. All you had on were white lights.
Oh, we had our lights on, sir.
You had white lights on.
We had lights on, sir.
They were just white. There was
you
no
seem
red,
to
no
know
blue.
everything tonight.
I'm going to request your dash cam, your body cams, all of it.
Request everything, sir. It's all open.
I'm going to go right to Sierra.
It's all open to the public. You're going to start throwing names out now?
No,
I know
I'm not
Sierra.
anything. Nope.
I know cops.
Nope.
Okay.
I'm just saying that none of them act like you. I've never had this experience with a cop ever. Never.
Wow.
It's fine, sir. If you'd like to give me a ticket, I'll accept the ticket. I'll take it to court.
Of course.
It's fine.
Yeah, of course.
It's fine.
Of course you will.
We got about another freaking 11 minutes, though, and this is unlawful.
Now we're unlawful?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a reasonable expectation for a speeding ticket, time frame, and all that stuff. Just sitting here for no reason. If you
I'm not
want to
sitting here for no reason. I'm letting you talk, sir.
You
seem to be. Well, you say that several times, and you just keep talking.
Okay.
You under any narcotics right now?
Nope.
Nothing at all?
No, I don't answer questions. I'm done answering questions.
You ever been arrested before?
Like I said, sir, I'm done answering questions.
Okay. Just stand right there for me.
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah, got it. Just outside the car, though. I'm not trusting them. Corey Kowalski, Ross County. $11-16-24. Can you see if you can get an updated insurance? It's 11-16-24. See if he has an updated one.
Like I said, sir, I'm done answering questions. Yep, absolutely.
get a license or anything?
Yeah, just the outside of the car. No.
Yep. Nope. I feel like his pupils were pretty dilated.
1624. Can you see if you can get an updated insurance? It's 11/16/24. See if we have an updated one.
Yep. Do you have a updated insurance card on you in your vehicle? This one's expired, sir.
I get it on my phone if that's okay.
Yeah, that's great.
I apologize. I did not want this to go this way at all. That guy, he's got an attitude problem. I don't know what the problem is. That's the Jeep. That's the other Charger. This one here. I did not come up with a return on it.
5/16/25 expiration. 2006 Dodge Charger. Can I go check the VIN real quick?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Thank you.
You for being professional, sir.
That's a 2006 Dodge Charger, registered to Yvonne Michelle Kowalski out of Roscommon. You have BSES on that. Plates are good through November of 2025. Stand by for the name. $555 for the return.
Here's that. Here's that. Let me just a second.
Is it okay? Can I just turn off my headlights so my battery doesn't die? It's not running anymore, and it's only 28 degrees.
Let me do that for you.
All right, it's the toggle on the left. Thank you.
Yep.
You got a ticket up here?
Huh?
Here's your ticket book.
It's right here, sir. The insurance. Yes, sir.
It says 2025 on it.
Oh, I thought.
5/16/25.
Oh, yep. Thank you, sir. It was current. The only thing that I thought was weird is that I checked the VIN because he showed me his insurance on his phone, and there's like a pink pouch that's jammed up in the dash right where the VIN number is.
Take a plate from the back valid. You can tell me. You can have a seat in this car.
Okay.
We'll be right there.
You can go ahead and have a seat in your vehicle. I know it's cold out here.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Cancellation be well. Orders for Roscommon Central to the area units. You can cancel POL order sensitive to the CD. Crawford County is located at
What the fuck is that car doing? You what?
What year is that for?
What year is it?
Yeah.
It's a 2006 Dodge Charger. Silver in color. RT, if it makes a difference. Like I said, it was weird that there's that pink pouch jammed up in his dash.
Yeah.
And it's small. Like, it's real small.
He's obviously having some issues this morning. Mr. Kowalski, you're getting issued a violation this morning for a violation of the basic speed law. You can take care of it within 10 days at the county court of Crawford. All the directions are on the back, the court address and phone number on the front. Do you have any questions?
Not for you. Thanks.
Okay. Make sure you have your seatbelt on, okay, sir?
Thanks. Don't.
I'm sorry.
Nothing.
Okay. Have a good evening.
Yep.
Thank you.
So, when we went to turn up...
$36 miles an hour, so he's still going too fast.
In a 30-mile-an-hour zone.
Yeah.